Hi, I'm Ben Deloach with UITS, and today I'll be going over the admissions requirements for graduate students. Let's get started. To view the admissions requirements for graduate eligible students, visit admissions.columbusState.edu and click on the Graduates button. This is the page where you can visit the requirements and deadlines for graduate degree application. The general requirements are listed here. The program requirements are listed in this area here. And the application deadlines are in this box here. Below the deadlines are the required tests and scores that are needed to enroll for specific programs. You will need to click on these to ensure you have the proper scores and tests taken to enroll in the program you want to enter. Finally, the information here is for students living outside of the state of Georgia, or if you have any questions or concerns about our graduate programs. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit our website at uits.columbusState.edu or call our IT support help desk at 706-507-8199. This is Ben Deloach for UITS. Have an awesome day.